In this video, we'll show you how to replace the rear shocks on your Chevy Colorado. This is located in the rear of the vehicle and part of the suspension system. Let's get started. We can go ahead and remove the lug nuts with a 22 millimeter. We can remove the bottom nut and bolt with a 21 millimeter. We can remove the upper bolt with a 21 millimeter as well. And we can remove the strut. We'll get the strut lined up top. Start getting that threaded in. And we'll get the bottom bolt in before we tighten that down. You can line up the lower portion of the strut. You may need to push up on the bottom of the strut a little bit. Get the nut threaded on. We can get that snugged up. And we'll torque this to 118 foot-pounds. You can snug down the upper bolt. And we can torque that to 85 foot-pounds. You can go ahead and get the wheel on the vehicle. Press the wheel flat to the hub, and then I like to get one of the lug nuts threaded all the way on. That'll help hold it on while we get the rest on. And we can snug these down in a star pattern. And we can torque these to 140 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.